Adjectives describe nouns, and they can be comparative or superlative. Let's look at some examples. Spider is a noun and small is an adjective. Small describes the spider. The small spider went up the water spout. When an adjective is used to compare two nouns, it is called a comparative adjective. In this example, the second spider is smaller than the first spider. When an adjective compares three or more nouns, it is called a superlative. In this example, the second spider is the smallest spider compared to the first and the third spider. As shown in this chart, an adjective describes a noun. A comparative adjective compares two nouns, and a superlative adjective compares three or more nouns. Crayon is the noun, tall is the adjective. The tall crayon was used to draw a house. The comparative adjective is taller. The superlative adjective is tallest. Tall crayon, taller crayon, tallest crayon. The long fish swam in the water. The longer fish. The longest fish. The wise owl read in the tree. The wiser owl. The wisest owl. Wise owl, wiser owl, wisest owl. The light leaf fell to the ground. The tube is lighter than the washing machine. The leaf is the lightest item. Light, lighter, lightest. The fast boat rode through the water. The motorboat is faster than the rowboat. The motorboat is the fastest compared to the sailboat and the rowboat. Fast, faster, fastest. The heavy cat is at the gym. The heavier cat. The heaviest cat is the first cat. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. The slow animals began the race. The snail is slower than the porcupine. The snail is the slowest. Slow, slower, slowest. 3 is a tiny number. It is tinier than 5. And it is the tiniest of 3, 5, and 10. Tiny, tinier, and tiniest. Cold weather is common in the month of January. The second day is colder than the first day. The third day is the coldest. Cold, colder, and coldest. Now let's review what we just learned. Decide if it is a comparative or a superlative adjective. Taller or tallest. Red is the tallest crayon. Lighter or lightest. The leaf is the lightest item. Faster or fastest. The sailboat is faster. Tinier or tiniest. 3 is the tiniest number. Slower or slowest. The snail is slower. Heavier or heaviest. The first cat is heavier. More practice with comparative and superlative adjectives.